class. It's Kiera. What is the date today? Remember that we are now in the month of April. What is the weather? Is it rainy or sunny? Today, we are going to look at matching questions with answers. So let's review some important question words. Remember that what means qué, when means cuándo, and where means dónde. Repeat. What, when, where. Okay, now we are going to listen to an audio and number the questions in the order that we hear them. But first, let's read the questions. Will tourists go to other planets on holiday? When will this happen? Where will they stay? Will life be boring? What will people eat? Will people live on other planets in the future? What will they do? All right, let's listen.
Listen and number the questions.
Hi there. Today, I'm talking to celebrity scientist Dr. Leah Martinez. Hello, Dr. Martinez.
Hi, Ricky.
Okay, my first question is, will people live on other planets in the future?
Yeah.
Okay, we just heard the first question. Will people live on other planets in the future? So, we are going to write number 1 next to that question. We're going to continue listening to the audio, and you're going to write the number of the questions in the order which they appear. So the next question we hear, we will write number 2. You can go back and listen to this audio as many times as you want. All right, let's finish it.
They will. They will live on Mars. And they'll live on the moon, of course. But normal people won't live there. Only scientists and engineers and other specialist workers.
Wow! Where will they stay on these planets?
They will stay in controlled environments. You know, like in a giant glass dome.
What will they do?
They'll work. They'll do scientific experiments.
What will people eat?
They'll grow their own food, and they'll eat that.
Will tourists go there on holiday?
Yes, they will. But they won't be like summer holidays here on Earth.
When will this happen?
It won't happen for 100 years.
Will life be boring?
No, it won't. I think life in space will be just amazing.
Thank you, Dr. Martinez.
Not at all.
Okay, good job. These are the answers that you should have. Very good. Let's continue. Now we are going to listen to the same audio, but this time we're going to listen to the answers that the scientist gives to the questions. For example, the first question that we heard was, will people live on other planets in the future? When we hear that answer, we will write a number 1 next to it. So let's begin.
Match the questions with the answers. Then listen and check.
Hi there. Today, I'm talking to celebrity scientist Dr. Leah Martinez. Hello, Dr. Martinez.
Hi, Ricky.
Okay, my first question is, will people live on other planets in the future?
Yes, they will. They will live on Mars. and they'll live on the moon, of course.
Okay, so they just asked the first question to the scientist, will people live on other planets in the future? And the scientist responded, yes, they will. They'll live on the moon and on Mars. So we write a number 1 next to that answer. All right, so now we're going to listen for the second question and write a number 2 next to that answer and continue on like this until we finish. Let's listen to the rest of the audio.
But normal people won't live there. Only scientists and engineers and other specialist workers.
Wow! Where will they stay on these planets?
They will stay in controlled environments. You know, like in a giant glass dome.
What will they do?
They'll work. They'll do scientific experiments.
What will people eat?
They'll grow their own food, and they'll eat that.
Will tourists go there on holiday?
Yes, they will. But they won't be like summer holidays here on Earth.
When will this happen?
It won't happen for 100 years.
Will life be boring?
No, it won't. I think life in space will be just amazing.
Thank you, Dr. Martinez.
Not at all.
Okay, good job. These are the answers you should have. Okay, the last thing we are going to do is listen to one more short audio. It's talking about a boy and his robot, Gozo. So, we have one side of the sentence on one end and then the other part of the sentence on the other side. And we have to match them. So for number 1, if I want to listen to music, I have to listen to hear what happens when he wants to listen to music and write number 1, because that's the number of the sentence, in the box next to the second part of the sentence. Let's begin.
Listen and match. Let me tell you about Gozo, my robot helper. If I want to listen to music, Gozo chooses my favorite songs.
Okay, he just said, if I want to listen to music, Gozo chooses my favorite songs. So then I'm going to look here on the right side and I see Gozo chooses my favorite songs. So I write number 1 in the box. You're going to continue like this all the way to number 6. Let's listen to the rest of the audio.
And he sometimes dances too. If I'm bored, Gozo plays chess with me, and he usually wins. When I'm thirsty, he makes a drink for me, usually lemonade. Yum! When Gozo needs new batteries, he doesn't move. I have to change his batteries. If I want to read in peace, Gozo doesn't make a noise. He can move really quietly. If my room is a mess, Gozo tidies it up. That's great, because I hate tidying my room. And at night, when I want to go to sleep, Gozo turns off the lights. Gozo is a wonderful companion and friend.
Okay, good job. You should have these answers. Number 1, we did together. Gozo chooses my favorite songs. For our last exercise, we are going to make sentences just like the sentences that were in the exercise from before. It gives you the first part of the sentence, but you get to complete it according to what you would do in these situations. So for example, when I feel tired, I could write, when I feel tired, I go to sleep. You can choose what you write in this part of the sentence. Go ahead and complete these 4 sentences about you.